What's up guys, it's Robe. So today I'm gonna walk you through on how you'd play Nenda Lote on the keys. It's beginnerish. If you're a beginner, this one you'll only have just to practice a bit and you'll be able to play it in no time. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So without wasting any more time, let's zoom in right after this. Nenda Lote is in the key of G. The progression is 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5. So it plays 2, 1, 5, and then there's also the a 4 chord. So 5, then C. So the 2 is a minor chord, then the 1 is a G chord, B chord, first inversion, and then the 4 is a C chord, though it's a second inversion of C. So I will start off with the song is this, those chords, the progression is the same from start to end. So I will first of all, teach you how to hold the chords, and then I will show you on how you can, a simple rhythm that you can use so that you can play the song. So the first chord, which is the 2 chord, this is the normal A minor chord. So with my left hand, I'm using my small finger and ring finger to play note A, and then note C with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. Right hand, note A, thumb, middle finger, note C, and note E with my small and ring finger. So that's a minor chord. And then the chord that follows is a G. So G with my left hand, I'm playing note G with my small finger and ring finger, note B with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. So this is the normal G. Right hand, note G with my thumb, B with my middle finger, and small finger and ring finger are playing note D. So that's D chord. So this is G chord, followed by the second inversion of first inversion of G chord, D chord, first inversion of the D chord. So normally you hold the D chord here, then first inversion. So I am playing note F sharp with my ring finger, note A with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. Right hand, first inversion. So normally I'd hold it as so, D, first inversion of the D. So with my thumb, I am playing F sharp, note F sharp, pointer with my, note A with my pointer, and note D with my small finger or ring finger. So that's first inversion of the D chord. And then finally we have the C, which is second inversion of the C chord. So on my left hand, normally I'll hold C as so C, then first inversion, second inversion. So with my small finger, I'm playing note G. With my pointer finger, I am playing note C, and note E with my thumb. So C, second inversion. And then with my right hand, so that's the second inversion on my right hand. So C, first inversion, second inversion. G note with my thumb, note C with my middle finger, and note E with my small finger. So that's the fourth, the 4 in that progression. So the song kind of goes like. So the rhythm is something like well, you don't have to use this rhythm. You can use many other rhythms, but for the purpose, or for that one who died know what rhythm to use, you can use this one. So the A minor, I'm counting like 1, so you can use that rhythm. So the song, okay, if you listen to the song, the intro and the verse, you would play the 2, 1, 5, 3 times before you play the C note. But on the verses, this one is I think it's times maybe 8. The verses you will play like times 8. Just go listen to the song and then you will figure out. So it's maybe times 8 there, and then the C, which is always 1 bar. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh well, guys, that's it for this tutorial. So I hope I was clear enough. In case I wasn't clear, you can let me know in the comment area, and I will of course do, or rather revise on anything that wasn't clear. So guys, be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also if you have a request, any song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. Plus give the video a thumbs up, since it really helps on the ranking of these videos on YouTube. So with that, guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.